Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprises Play. Today we are going to be opening and reviewing the new Rainbow High swim dolls. And unfortunately, these guys do not come with any articulation, I don't think whatsoever. Yeah, so we're just going to be opening them. At some point, I will be rebodying them, which is really inconvenient, I must say. Just so Rainbow High can what? Cut costs? Or appeal to an audience that doesn't require quality control, maybe? I said it. That's all I'm gonna say. So let's get to unboxing these dolls. Okay, so I have 3 of the 4 dolls unboxed. I forgot to mention I did not buy Ruby in the store. She was not cute, and so I figured I'm gonna wait until I can find one that actually has a really good screening. So let's go over the dolls. They have 0 articulation. They're all in swimsuits. They come with an awesome pair of shoes. They come with these little skirt thingies, and that is it. The end. Bye! Okay, just kidding. We will go over them a little bit more in detail. They're super basic, but they're really cute. So Sunny has a yellow swimsuit with this little ruffle. I think it's interesting. Interesting choice. It's cute. Interesting choice, but it's cute. So she comes with these shoes, which I actually like. So, you know, regardless of my little joke ahead of, like, just barely, I actually really like these shoes. They feel kind of like Barbie material, but like for Rainbow High. So instead of like the really thick annoying shoes, these go on so easy. They're really cute. They're just little jelly shoes. I love them. I love Violet's shoes. I love Skylar's shoes. I'm not really sure how I'm feeling about this little thing though. They're little like sarong or whatever these things are called. Oh, you can use them in different ways. So there's 10 different ways you can have your doll, 10 plus different ways you can have your doll wear this, which it also shows you. Cool, in here. So you have like different ways you can use the little shawl, which I kind of wish they would have made it a little bit bigger, because how the heck, you know, I don't know. I don't even know if any of these are gonna work. So we'll try one out after. But the screenings on these dolls are absolutely gorgeous. Like, how come they did them so dirty and took away their articulation? Because look at this face. I mean, the graphic eyeliner is a lot, but that's kind of in right now, so, you know. But just on the doll, it looks like a lot. But look at those green eyes, the blush, the lips with her blonde hair. It looks so good. I don't know. I don't know why they had to take away the articulation. Maybe because this is a swim doll, and you put it in the sand, you take it to the pool. But the last batch of Rainbow High dolls that we got also didn't have wrist articulation or thigh articulation. So hopefully they're not completely doing away with articulation. I think it's just the swim dolls. It kind of is a little unfortunate because our last batch of swim dolls, which was the Pacific Coast, they all have articulation and great articulation. So what the, like, this doesn't just fit. Like, this really doesn't fit the collector, like, situation. So I really think they're pulling away from the whole collector audience because we are requiring them to do quality control. So anyway, let's go over Violet, because I think Violet is probably the prettiest doll out of all of them. I don't have Ruby here, but she's the prettiest out of the 3. Her hair is super thick. I love how they have it pulled behind her ears at the bang. I'll probably take it out and do it like, well, no, I think I'm gonna leave it. I'll wash her hair, but I'll leave it. So Violet, I think, is in a 2-piece, maybe a 3-piece. No, she's in a, oh, it's a 1-piece. So it's a 1-piece that's like open. here and just, yeah, just there. So hers is like a tank top, tankini, I don't know, whatever this is. It's cute. I like the tank top part. Like, that would be awesome if it was like not attached, because then we can use the clothing piece, but whatever. It is what it is. You know, I like the dolls. I love the screening. I'm gonna get like every single Rainbow High doll still. I'm gonna rebody these girls. It just sucks. So let's go over. Oh, and her shoes are same little jelly sandals. I think they might even be the same. Yeah, they're pretty much the same as Sunny's, just a higher top. So Sunny's doesn't have the high. Yeah. And then Skylar comes with these guys that are not gonna stay on very well. So, but they're really cute. I like them. So here is Skylar. Her face up is a little questionable. I like her lips, her eyes, her skin color, her blush, and her hair. But the graphic liner is a lot, especially for this swimming suit. Like, there's no, like, you know, anything to tie in together this makeup. And they probably shouldn't have done such heavy makeup if they are a swim doll. I mean, I don't know. That's just my opinion. I think they're beautiful. I love this screening. I do get impressed with what Rainbow High gives us. I loved the slime dolls. I love the glitter aspect. A lot of people don't. So, you know, just personal opinion with some of these dolls. But I'm gonna say it one more time. I think they're pulling away from the collector aspect because we require quality control, and it's a lot cheaper to make budget dolls. So anyways, I hope everybody liked my video. I forgot to go over a couple other things, but they're just sunglasses and purses. They're really cute actually, so let's go over them really quick. So these are Sunny's, Violet's, and Skylar's. These are actually really cute. Like, all of these are really cute, and I can see myself using them in some other outfits. So at least we got better sunglasses this swim lane than we did Pacific Coast. Pacific Coast kind of lacked. And then the purses, they're rubbery, they're kind of nice, they kind of remind me of Easter. Maybe I'm just feeling the Easter vibe right now. But there is a taiyaki for Sunny, a cute little like basket bag for Violet, and this little jean like bucket bag for Skylar, and it's just really cute. And then, like I said, these little sarongs, I don't even want to like, okay, let's attempt one of them. So you wrap it around, wrap it up. No, that's not even gonna work. No, these are way too small to do any of those styles. So hopefully we could use some other type of fabric to accomplish those things. So that was a little misleading. But anyway, I love these dolls. I love Rainbow High. I did forget to mention they do not come with stands, which is a little unfortunate. I do like to buy my stands from Darling's Dollhouse on Instagram. She's also on YouTube. She's one of my friends. So yeah, I like to buy from her. But if not, the Kaiser stands kind of work. I would say to go with the budget, like knockoff Amazon things. I don't know how to explain them, but I can definitely link them below. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think about these dolls. Are you going to get them? Why are you not going to get them if you're not? And just, yeah, let me know. And thanks again for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.